Do you want to succeed? Then Robert Kiyosaki has some excellent advice for you. Robert is best known for his Rich Dad, Poor Dad book, which is considered the holy introductory book for financial literacy. But he also authored several other books which offered various advice on investing, building businesses, achieving financial independence, and building wealth. Robert himself is also a successful investor and businessman. In this video, we will talk about some of the rules given by Robert for those who want to achieve success. Some financial planners might oppose these ideas because they are firm believers in the work, save, invest mentality. However, Robert's rules are valuable if you want to earn money just like how the rich do. So stay tuned because we will discuss each of these rules to help you pave your path to financial success. So make sure to watch this video to the end. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Now let's get right into the video. 1. Change your mindset. If you want to be successful, you should have the mindset of a successful person. Think differently than others. When Robert was just starting, he always tried to think outside of the box in dealing with things. For example, he always pays himself first whenever he gets paid. This allowed him to be creative and be more motivated in finding ways to earn more money through his business and real estate investments to make ends meet. Robert believes that although the money you earn from a job helps pay the bills, this will not get you far. Limiting yourself to an earned income is a mindset of a poor person. If you want to get out of the rat race, think differently. If you want to build wealth, change the way you think. Change your mindset into that of a rich and successful person. 2. Learn from experience. Robert believes that the best teacher in business and investment is experience. When he first started investing in real estate, he made a significant profit on his rental property due to its premium location in Hawaii. Although the cash flow is small, because of the high amount of leverage he used by using his credit card to pay the down payment, still the experience he gained was what truly made the experience valuable for Robert. He learned how real estate investing works. Similarly, you can also gain lessons from your own experience. Although you can study business and even read books about these, the lessons gained from experience can teach you better. Whether it be good or bad, a lesson is a lesson. It will prepare you for success. 3. Be prepared to lose. If you want to achieve success, be prepared to lose as well. Successful businessmen did not achieve immediate success. They too had lost and failed multiple times. Hence, people from the poor and middle class should also not be afraid of losing. For losing is part of the process. It is normal. Robert's experience is a testament that failures only prepare you for success. Like many other businessmen, Robert lost millions of dollars when he first started investing. In the world of business and investment, no one becomes an expert right away. You learn from failures. Thus, do not fear losing and failing. If you did stumble along the way, let it be a lesson and inspiration for you to continue learning and working until you finally succeeded. 4. Focus on one thing at a time. Instead of mastering everything and being all over the market, Robert recommends to instead focus on one thing at a time. Just like what he did when he first started investing in real estate, he worked on mastering it first before he moved on to other things. He focused on and mastered real estate investing before he explored other investments and businesses. Hence, if you want to succeed as well, focus on one course only until you've succeeded. Do not be a jack of all trades and a master of none. Being all over the market does not guarantee greater profits and returns. Instead, it will only lead you to failures. Mastering one field and working on it patiently will eventually lead you to financial success. 5. Give more than you receive. Robert believes that giving is essential for financial success. Whether it be effort or money, he believes that the more you give, the more you receive. Hence, if something is lacking, then there must be something that you are not giving enough. If you want to succeed financially and if you want to achieve a certain outcome, you have to put in the effort. Do not wait for luck to do its magic. If you are not willing to do so, then do not expect success in your life. Everything requires work, and work requires effort. It might take some time, but it will eventually pay off. Before we move on to the next one, if you're new to the channel, kindly give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will know when we've posted new videos. Now let's continue to the next rules. 6. Properly manage the business. Most of the businesses that failed today are not just due to lack of capital and market, but also due to poor management. When Robert had his first business, which is a wallet company, he noticed that the sales were good, but the business always ends up with losses. He learned how working efficiently plays a significant role in determining success for the business. Having a good product and market is essential, but proper management is also valuable. Take, for instance, fast food restaurants. They might not have the best product in the food industry, but they still earn profits. On the other hand, there are also good independent restaurants out there that failed not because they have a bad quality of product or service, but rather due to business owners having little to no knowledge of how to run and operate a business effectively. Hence, if you want to succeed in business and life in general, know how to properly run and manage a business. 7. Know where the money is coming from. If you want to succeed, you should know what type of income you are earning. There are multiple forms of income out there and they have different tax implications. Hence, you must understand where your money is coming from. In the United States, for example, earned income is taxed higher compared to other types of income. On the other hand, profits from portfolio income are taxed lower, and some passive income is not even taxed at all. Thus, if you want to build wealth, you have to understand these differences and look where you can benefit the most. The tax code is designed to encourage businesses and investments by providing tax incentives. Take advantage of this. 8. Take advantage of hard times. The market and economies run in a cycle. If it is good right now, it could go bad the next day. Similarly, if it is down right now, it can also shoot up after a certain period. Always remember that these dips and crashes are normal, and they can instead bring new opportunities for you. Robert himself purchased golf courses when the real estate market crashed. He was able to buy those at a lower value than their original price. Hence, if the market crashes right now or the economy dips, look out for opportunities and take advantage of them. Do not break under pressure from your fear of losing or failing. Think critically and look for those with potential. A perfect example of this is buying more stocks instead of selling when the stock market crashes. Remember that the market will eventually recover, hence you can profit more when that time comes. 9. Hedge money instead of saving it. Dollars have been losing value since decades ago. With inflation and economic volatility, your money sitting in the bank will continue to decrease in value. Hence, saving may not be a good idea at all. Robert instead recommends hedging the money. Instead of saving it, he recommends investing it in real estate or precious metal commodities such as gold. Their prices usually shoot up when the dollar decreases in value. Thus, if you want to get the best out of your money, don't just let it sit in the banks. Hedge it. And those are some of the valuable pieces of advice given by Robert Kiyosaki for people who want to succeed. What are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with him? Let us know in the comment section below. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, financial buddies!